A jury in Minneapolis has gone home for the weekend after a white former police officer recounted the fatal shooting of a black man, Daunte Wright. Kim Potter testified today at her manslaughter trial. John Yang has our report.
Defense calls Kim Potter to the stand.
Today, former Brooklyn Center, Minnesota police officer Kim Potter told jurors of the moment 8 months ago when she shot and killed Daunte Wright during a traffic stop, reaching for her taser, but pulling her gun, seeing the look on another officer's face.
And I can see Sergeant Johnson and the driver struggling over the gear shifts because I can see Johnson's hand and then I can see his face. He had a look of fear on his face. It's nothing I'd seen before.
What did you do?
We were struggling. We were trying to keep him from driving away. It just went chaotic. And then I remember yelling, "Taser, taser, taser," and nothing happened. And then he told me I shot him.
During cross-examination, prosecutor Aaron Eldridge underscored Potter's 26 years of police experience and training, including how not to confuse her taser and her gun. Eldridge pressed her on whether she felt threatened by Wright.
Never said I'm going to kill you.
No.
Never said I'm going to shoot you.
No.
Never said there's a gun in the car and I'm coming after you.
No.
The prosecutor also asked if Potter did anything to help Wright after he'd been shot.
You didn't run down the street and try to save Daunte Wright's life, did you?
No.
You were focused on what you had done, because you had just killed somebody. Right?
I'm sorry it happened.
The incident began as a traffic stop, but Wright tried to flee after a struggle with officers who attempted to arrest him for an outstanding weapons warrant.
Oh, my I just shot him. Yes! I grabbed the wrong gun!
The defense argued that mistake or not, deadly force was justified to stop Wright. Potter's charged with first and second-degree manslaughter. If convicted, she'd face years in prison. Closing arguments are set for Monday. For the PBS NewsHour, I'm John Yang.